Welcome to part 2 of loan math. We're going to talk now about what is your payment and how to calculate it. For a hard money loan, it's almost always going to be interest only payments. So you don't need to worry about amortization. You don't need to worry about how much principal am I paying off. The answer is 0. It's an interest only payment. The math is really simple. Let's talk about it. If you recall from our previous example, we had a purchase price of $300,000, rehab of $50,000. We talked in our previous video about how to figure out what your total loan amount is. We're using the same numbers from that. So our total loan amount we're using here is $290,000. Our interest rate, sample interest rate, we're going to use 11%. Now, what's my interest payment? Let's go over here to our scratch paper. I'm going to do 290 times 0.11. That's going to be your annual, what you owe. So then you need to divide that by 12 to get your monthly. So let's go over here to our calculator. Got 290,000 times 0.11 divided by 12, $2,658.33. That's how much interest you owe. The vast majority of lenders are also going to require you to escrow a portion of your taxes and a portion of your insurance every month. To be exact, it's going to be 1/12. So let's do that here. We're going to estimate our taxes. We're going to say here our annual tax estimate is going to be $3,500. Our annual insurance estimate is going to be $2,500. You're going to want to include HOA because that's part of your monthly expense, but most lenders will not escrow that. So you'll just want to think, okay, I also need to pay HOA. So for example, let's just assume there is no HOA. So what is our monthly escrow? We're going to do $3,500 plus $2,500 divided by 12. It's going to cost us $500 a month. What does escrow mean? Escrow means that it's going into a special account that is yours, still your money. When the taxes come due and when the insurance comes due, your lender will pay those for you. If you don't end up needing that money, it all comes back to you at closing, okay? So think of it as sort of like a savings plan for something you'd have to pay anyway, your taxes and your insurance. In this example, we've got $500. What's your monthly total payment here? 2,658.33 cents plus 500. So you're going to want to budget $3,158.33 per month. In the next part, we're going to talk about what your initial payment is. So this is when your rehab is fully drawn under total loan amount. In our next video, let's talk about what your initial payment is going to be. For the loan math worksheets and for other resources, visit our website at bridgewellcapital.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.